Hi friends, I am Sai Tanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the 4G comparison test between the POCO X3 versus the POCO X2 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the POCO X2 and the POCO X3. So let's see which phone the 4G signals will be faster and which phone will actually receive the 4G signals much more higher. So in terms of the 4G specifications, network signals, as you can see, both phones, they do have the same kind of bandwidth and everything. So you can see POCO X2 and the POCO X3 device. So right now in this video, I'll be trying to use the same SIM in both the phones at same time, at same location. So let's see which phone will actually receive the more signals in terms of the speed test. So right now I'll be using the speed test application, which is available in the Play Store. In case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using for all of my smartphones, try to check the links in the description, even for this kind of good looking live wallpaper which I've got here. So let's get started with the 4G comparison between both of the smartphones. So right now you can clearly see here, friends, I'm using the POCO X2 and the POCO X3 side by side. So sorry for the reflection of light. So only at this location I will be able to get the full high-speed 4G internet connection. So usually in this location, in the premium end smartphones, I used to get close to 200 or 250 Mbps of range 4G data speed test. So in the mid-range segments for phones, I used to get close to 120 Mbps and 130. So now let me try to start the test first in the POCO X3 device. So as you can see right now, I'm using the 4G data SIM. So on the top you can see 4G Plus has been also added on the network here. As you can see clearly 160 Mbps of 4G data. So right now I'm in the Australia, Melbourne here. So here the 4G signals are very strong. So you can try to observe the 4G Plus as well clearly. So let's see whether the POCO X2 can actually get this kind of high 4G speeds or not. So this is another most interesting question. So even I'll try to compare the POCO X3 versus the Redmi K20 Pro device in terms of the 4G data speed test. So we can actually observe in that way as well. So that is for another video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So right now you can see here, friends, the results are here. So these are the previous tests which are done. So overall the score was above 150 every time whenever I do the test in the POCO X3 device. So that is one advantage in this phone. So these are overall results as you can see. So now I'll change the SIM from POCO X3 to POCO X2. So as you can see, friends, the SIM has been transferred successfully to the POCO X2 device. So right now you can see the POCO X2 I'm using, and the speeds are close to 130 Mbps and 120 Mbps. So it is a side POCO X3 device. So overall the maximum I got, I think 159 and I think 190 Mbps as well. That's one time it has happened in this phone, POCO X2. So these are total 4G data speed test when you're doing side by side at same time and at same location. So these are how you can actually calculate the 4G data speed test between two smartphones. So in case if you are interested in any other 4G data, do check the links in description for more details. So top two are the recently done test results on the top two. So overall the POCO X3 has the advantage 164 and 162 when you compare with the 128 and 113. So you can see the difference as well in terms of the upload and download and everything. Ping value. So thank you for watching this video, friends. That's it for this video. For more videos, make sure to check the links in description and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.